Most people cannot solve the problems of their life because they try and solve like this. Life is not a maze. Life is amazing provided you look at life from the higher consciousness point of view. Raise your consciousness, enhance your awareness, and connect to your higher consciousness, and you'll be amazed how beautifully you can negotiate through various challenges of life like a car driven through GPS assistance. Do you want to find out how, why, and what can you do about it? Connect with me, sign up for a webinar right now, and I will explain to you how you can take this journey in a step-by-step way.